Bootstrap is one of the most popular front-end framework, but what is the advantage of using it in web development? What pros and cons does this framework have? Bootstrap is a combination of JavaScript, CSS, and HTML code. It was developed by Twitter's team. It is completely free, supported by all major browsers. It has a huge support community and a lot of themes, plugins, and templates for typography, buttons, forms, navigation, tables, and etc. that makes web development faster and easier. With Bootstrap, your web page will automatically look good on all devices without necessity to write additional code in media queries. It has an excellent grid system. Website content is always divided into 12 fluid responsive columns, and you just need to decide how many squares each column occupies and whether your columns are going to stack vertically or horizontally to display as intended on mobile devices. And it is also scalable. You can deploy Bootstrap websites quickly and with ease. Another advantage is that it is beginner-friendly. Any new person in a team can easily learn how to use the framework. However, you still need to invest some time into it, learn classes, and get used to the grid system. But the biggest disadvantage is that it restricts creativity. Bootstrap websites look similar with similar design. Bootstrap is customizable, but you could spend a lot of time on rewriting files and coding the website if the design tends to deviate from the customary design used in Bootstrap. Bootstrap styles are verbose and can lead to lots of output in HTML which is not needed. So if you are working on something special, then customization can become a nightmare, as it would require a lot of style overrides. If you need to create something typical, Bootstrap can be great for most projects. It would definitely save you time and make the development cheaper and easier. Please write in comments why you've decided to become a web developer and what topics you are interested in. And if you want to be the first to watch such free educational videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good week and see you next Tuesday.